Hello guys, are you looking to get your SmartServe certificate but not sure where to start? In this video, I'll take you through everything you need to know about getting your SmartServe certification, including what it is, who needs it, how to get certified, and even some tips to pass the exam. So let's get started. What is SmartServe? SmartServe is a certification program created to help individuals who serve alcohol in Ontario. It's designed to ensure that servers are properly trained to handle situations involving alcohol, promote responsible drinking, and ensure customer safety. Without this certification, you cannot legally serve alcohol in Ontario. This makes it an essential qualification for anyone working in the food and beverage industry. Who needs it? It is required for anyone working in a job where they serve or sell alcohol. That means bartenders, servers, liquor store employees, and even event staff. If you're planning to work in any of these roles in Ontario, getting your SmartServe certificate is a must. How to get certified? Getting certified is super easy. Register. Visit the official SmartServe Ontario website and register for the course online. Complete training. Take the online training that covers alcohol laws, identifying signs of intoxication, and handling difficult situations. Take the exam. After completing the training, take the online multiple choice exam. Pass the exam. Successfully pass the exam. Receive certificate. Once you pass, you'll receive your SmartServe certificate. Start working. You're now ready to work with your certification. Exam. Tips and costs. Cost. The SmartServe course costs $44.95 Canadian, including taxes. Questions. There are 33 questions in total, along with a screening process. Passing requirement. You need to score 80% or above to pass the exam. The exam is monitored with your camera on, and you get 2 attempts. If you fail both, you'll need to repeat the entire process. Important, you must not use any notes, cheats, or have anyone assist you during the exam. You will also need a government-issued document, such as a driver's license, to proceed with the exam. Tips. 1. Read each question carefully. 2. Test yourself using online resources, like flashcards. 3. Answer the questions as if you're in the same situation, using your real-world experience. 4. If you get an answer wrong, review the question and learn from your mistake. That's it for the SmartServe certificate. It's a quick and affordable way to boost your career in hospitality. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment any questions below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Good luck with your certification. I will be providing some sample question answers in my next video. Till then, bye.